Think of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform as a book. Your content fills its pages, but how do you quickly return to pages of interest? Well, you use bookmarks. On the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, bookmarks are similar to folders and shortcuts. They organize critical pieces of information so you can quickly access them again in the future. Creating a bookmark is simple. In the Bookmark Editor app, click New Bookmark and give it a name. Create bookmarks inside of other bookmarks to create an organized structure that makes it easier for you to collaborate with other stakeholders. Repeat this process to build your desired framework. Add content to the bookmarks through search or upload directly from your device, and flag frequently accessed bookmarks as favorites so you can access them even faster. Bookmarks also provide access to additional tools, lifecycle actions, and collaboration features to make it easy to perform common tasks. Leverage bookmarks on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to expedite your access to critical pieces of information.